welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, then welcome. I'm excited because I have a new camera, so let me know if you see a difference, and let me know if you are digging this look. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, leave me some love, and I'll see you guys in my next one. So I'm so excited because I have a new camera and I can show you guys what needs to be shown. I'm so excited. So I'm going to just take my Juvias concealer in 13 all over my eyelid. I'm just going to blend that Juvia's Place concealer. And then I'm going to take my, my airspun powder, it just got everywhere, and set my eyelid so we don't have any creasing. Just really lightly. I'm not taking a whole bunch of powder. I'm going to go into my Jackie Aina palette. And I'm going to start off by taking this shade right here, and I'm going to pack that on my crease with a M433 brush. And I think I'm going to do a cut crease today. I have not done one of those in so long. So I'm going to drag it outwards. Lightly drag it outwards. Now I'm going to take this pink shade and I'm going to lightly brush that right above that purplish shade. And this is the shade Supreme. The other one was pinker. A big wig, that purple. And I'm going to place that right in a crease. Probably should have started with this shade, but yeah, I didn't really know. I'm freestyling this, but now I see what I want to do. So yeah, guys, I'm so excited. I was losing motivation. I'm like, I didn't want to film because my camera was just not giving me the looks. It just wasn't doing its job. And I was getting really frustrated with it always overheating, and my computer started making me upload my videos manually, which is so annoying. So yeah, also that, and I'm just like, if I don't get a new camera or find some motivation, I just was not gonna do any videos. I started doing a lot of reels and stuff on Instagram just because my camera was just really annoying me. So yeah, if you did not check out that, make sure you go on my Instagram. I'll put it right here and go see those looks. Okay, so yeah, also do makeup, so I want to start filming my clients for YouTube too. So I'm like, I need a better camera because it's not going to show what I need to show. So yeah, I'm really starting to get serious about my business. Well, I've always been, but lately, that's just really what's always been on my mind. I'm trying to start something new. So yeah, that's what it's all about these days. If you're not about leveling up and getting your money up, no, we cannot be cool. We can't be friends. Getting money, if you ain't about getting money, it's not for us to talk about. And I'm gonna just take pinker again. And just blend. And I did use different brushes for all this to blend out this edges. And this is the E27 from Morphe. I'm gonna go back in with my concealer because now I'm about to cut my crease. So I'm just taking a little bit of concealer on the back of my hand. My Morphe M124. And take your time cutting your crease. And lately, I haven't done a cut crease like this in so long. And I was like, oh my god, I need to, like, I've been doing half cut creases. And honestly, I wanted to see if I still had it. Like, I'm like, do I know how to do a cut crease anymore? Like, I don't know why I don't do these looks anymore. But I missed it, so. Just want to deepen up the crease a little bit more. So I'm going to take pinker again, and I'm going to go right above that cut crease. For the lid, I'm going to go in with Trust Issues because I'm going to take some glitter. So, yeah, I think it's going to be really cute. Just take your time to not go over that cut crease. So now I'm going to go back in with pinker. And we're going to shade our bottom half. And I'm just taking an M167. Some chunky glitter mixed with some fine glitter. Now I'm going to take some NYX glitter glue primer. I'm going to take NYX pigments. This is in the shade Pig 20. This eye might look like it's beaming more because of my lights, but don't be alarmed, they're both beaming. We're gonna take some chunky glitter, and this I just got from Amazon, but it's so pretty. Some glitter. Ooh, how pretty. It's got some like gold and pink in there, which complements this look really well. And I'm just gonna clean up the sides. I'm feeling like I want a little bit silver in here. Why, I don't know. I'll just take a little bit of my glitter again, and that was my NYX glitter in 06. Now for the face, I'm gonna take my primer, my e.l.f. primer putty. If you see your face turning white, it's fine. It's just the primer. And now I'm taking my foundation. I like to take Juvia's Place, Burkina, and I also like to mix Nairobi. Nairobi, we're gonna take in the center of my face. And I already moisturized my face. You always want to moisturize. So yeah, like, guys, tell me what you guys been up to. Hoping you guys liking this new setup, this new camera. I'm loving it. And then I'm just gonna go on with Burkina and take that on the outer portion of my face. I also like to spray sometimes. My face has been really dry right now, so I like to spray before I blend it out with my Real Techniques brush. If y'all know I'm using the Instapop cheek brush. Yeah, I'm so hairy. I have like baby hair growing right here on my forehead. So if you see like a little mark, it's hair. Not even gonna hold you out. We're gonna go in with our fawn concealer. And I like to go in with a darker shade first, or a shade that matches my foundation. more because one is easier to blend out when we go to blend this out, and two, you want like a gradient nice effect under your eyes. You don't want it to be super bright. Like, we do want a bright eye, but we also want it to look very easy and look very natural and nice. Now I'm going with the Juvias C13, and I'm going to place that right on top, but I'm not going to go beneath that fawn, that LA Pro Girl concealer. And I'm not going to use eyeliner for this look, but we are going to go underneath that concealer to sharpen. We are going to go underneath that cut crease with concealer to sharpen. And I'm going to take it down the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my chin, and on the sides of my mouth. I'm going to take my setting brush, my Real Technique setting brush, and I'm going to start blending out the bottom, and then we're going to work our way up. See, that just looks so nice. So you will see me using my e.l.f. sponge as well. I just like to go back in with my foundation brush because the ending parts of a concealer, you don't want it to look like it's just sitting there. You want to blend it out and make sure everything is seamless. My black radiance contour stick, and this is an espresso. And we're just gonna, ooh, that was ugly. Take that down the sides of my nose. Because I should have twisted it up. I'm like over here with it like this. Like, girl, what you doing? And then I just like to take my foundation brush again to blend my contour out. And we didn't go crazy. I just put a little bit to bronze up the face. So I'm going to take the brush that we set our brows with to clean that up, because I don't want it to be like a harsh contour line. What I've been getting into lately is going back in after I concealed just a little bit to brighten it back up, and then take it back on the bridge of my nose. Just because these parts stand out, we want these parts to be super nice. Now I'm going to take my Sacha buttercup powder. We're going to set. Sometimes I set with my brush. Sometimes I set with my sponge, but I honestly think the brush gives it a more like airbrush finish. Go in with my Juvia's Place, what is this? The Warrior 2 palette. I do use a lot of different things to contour, but lately I've been using this. These two shades right here. I'm just gonna blend it. Take it on the sides of my nose and into my eyebrow. This also has a good blush shade, and I like using the pink one mainly. And apply it. Tap in everything with my brush, and everything just melts away and sets into my skin. Just going to take my Sephora micro smooth powder to just make sure we don't have any flashback. I'm gonna put on some mascara and I'll be right back. Girl, my camera died. Anyways, to take the shade pinker again, and I just want to make sure I got like a nice little wing going on right there. And then I'm gonna take it on my bottom lash line. So as you can see, I did put some mascara on my top. Yeah, I'm gonna put some on my bottom after I line this eye. Taking my ColourPop liner in BFF3. I'm gonna take this e.l.f. concealer in Pink Kiss. I said concealer. This e.l.f. tinted lip oil. I love shades of pink like this. Periana. Peri. Ooh. Y'all, why? I'm not even going nowhere. And I'm looking like this. So I'm about to spray and put some highlighter on. My camera died, so it just threw me off. So let me just put some highlighter on. Girl, we need the highlighter. And just smile a little. Put some on the cheek. Look at that. Woo. And this highlighter is by Glamazon. I knew somebody who was like selling them, and I'm not mad at it. Like, it's so pretty. I'm just put some looking like Rudolph, because your girl loves. Yes. Face card.